Have you ever thought about running ads for a product, but immediately felt stuck? Like, I don't know how to film, or I don't have a camera, or I don't want to be on camera. I definitely don't want to pay someone to do this. And if you're a solo e-com founder with no team, no budget, and no experience, that feeling hits even harder. So you just don't start. And honestly, I've been there too. I didn't know how to edit, and I wasn't very good at photography or design, and I definitely didn't want to be in front of the camera. But AI tools completely changed that for me. Now you can go from a single product to a finished, ready to run video ad in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to create your very first AI video ad from scratch. Even if you've never made an ad before and you don't wanna spend money on a whole production crew. All right, let's get into it. Why most people never make their first ad. So before we jump into the how, we need to talk about the why. Because the biggest problem isn't tools, it's friction. Most people think making a video ad requires filming yourself, hiring someone, editing software, and learning how to write scripts. Stack all that together and it feels like just way too much. So instead of trying, people just don't start at all. But here's what's changed. AI has basically broken this whole process into simple steps. You don't need to do everything anymore. You just need to guide it. And once you see it all laid out, it's actually way simpler than you think. What we're building today. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a simple UGC style ad. Nothing fancy, no crazy editing, just something that looks real, feels natural, and could actually run on TikTok, Instagram, or Meta. And here's the workflow we're using. So Creatify just released something called AdFlow Copilot, and it's the most beginner-friendly way to go from a product to a finished ad right now. Instead of manually setting up everything step by step, you just describe what you want in a chat style format, and Copilot plans it, writes the copy, and builds the whole production pipeline for you. Here's how it goes step by step. First thing you need is a product. Don't overthink this. Just pick something simple. Skincare, supplements, coffee, fitness products, stuff people already understand, or whatever it is you happen to be selling. You don't want your first ad to be confusing. You want it to be clear. So for example, let's say we're working with a body wash. Nothing crazy, just something we can build around. And here's a tip. If your product has a URL, like a Shopify listing or an Amazon page, just grab that link, because in the next step, you can drop it straight into Copilot and it will auto pull all the product description, images, and key selling points. All right, so let's go ahead and open up AdFlow right here. And as you can see, it's kind of looks like any sort of chat-based AI that you're familiar with. In the bottom left corner here, we can see product. So this is where we want to add our product. We can go ahead and click on that and choose from any products that we already have in here. But if this is your very first time, this is going to be blank and you're not going to have any products in there. So let me show you how to do that. We'll come up here to this product, that body wash that I talked about we'll be doing today. This is from Harry's. It's called their Greenskeeper body wash. So let's just go ahead and copy this URL. And now we'll come back here to Creatify, paste it in, and hit this little purple arrow. Now what Creatify just did is it went and it scraped all the data from that website. So it's got the product name, it's got the category, it's got the product description, and it's got all these assets in here. So we're really focused just on this Greenskeeper one here. So we'll get rid of this, we'll get rid of this one, and this one. Now it's just that one product that we're looking for. So this is where we can go ahead and add those unique selling points. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm just gonna grab this here from the website, and I'll go ahead and paste these in here. All right, it's ready to go. So we'll go ahead and click on Create Product. Now Creatify is just gonna go ahead and tidy everything up, get it nice and organized, and now we can click on it and click on Use this product. Next, describe your ad. Now just describe the output that you want. So we've pasted in the product URL, and now we just type a quick brief. Something like create a 10-second UGC style ad for my body wash. Morning routine angle, casual, and real. So we'll go ahead and paste that prompt in here, and we'll go ahead and send it off. So here we are inside of Copilot. You can see our canvas over here on the left. It's currently blank because right now what it's doing is it's thinking. And it's gonna go ahead and come up with a plan before we do anything, and most importantly, before we waste any of our credits. And here's where it gets interesting. Copilot doesn't just build something right away. It comes back with a full creative plan first. It proposes a specific hook concept, the scene structure for the whole ad, the copy for each beat, labeled presenter versus visual, and the reasoning behind the approach. Here's the opening line, here's what happens in the middle, here's the call to action, all laid out before anything gets generated. You stay in control. And if something doesn't feel right, you just say so in the chat. Like, can you try a more direct hook, or make the tone a little more casual, or add more scene at the end? So let's go ahead and take a look over here, and we can make this a little bit wider so you can go ahead and see everything here. It's got its whole plan laid out for us, and once you're ready to go, you can go ahead and click on confirm and build. When the plan looks right, hit confirm and build. Copilot assembles the full AdFlow node pipeline on the canvas automatically. So now you're in the AdFlow canvas. Every node is visible and editable. You can see the video generation node, the script, the avatar, all of it. Now, a couple of things to know here. For video generation, I recommend using Seedance 2.0 as your model. It's the newest and produces the best motion quality right now. If you run into any generation issues, just swap to Kling 3.0 Pro as your backup. Each model shows an estimated generation time next to a green dot, so you know what to expect. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is generated so far. So this is what I mean by this whole node-based thing. We've got our avatar over here. That is one node. We've got our product down here, which is another node. And this is the video. We have to go ahead and generate it. So I'll go ahead and click on that now so we can get started. And it's going to go ahead and get that ready for us. Okay, so after a couple minutes, it looks like our ad is ready. So let's go ahead and check it out together.
My alarm went off at 6 a.m. and honestly, the only reason I got up was to use this. It smells like a golf course and the grip is literally a golf ball. I don't make the rules.
That's your first AI ad. So at this point, you've got a full video ad from scratch. No experience, no budget, no filming. Just a product, a one-line brief, and a few minutes. That's it. The 3 biggest mistakes beginners make. All right, before we wrap this up, let's talk about the mistakes, because this is where most people go wrong. Mistake number 1, overcomplicating the brief. When you open Copilot, you don't need a detailed creative brief. One clear sentence is enough. Create a 10-second UGC ad for this product. Super casual tone. The more you overthink the prompt, the more generic the output feels. So keep it simple. Copilot does the creative heavy lifting for you. Mistake number 2, approving the first plan without reading it. Copilot proposes a creative direction. Make sure you read it. If the hook doesn't feel quite right, then push back on it. That's what the chat is for. The best outputs come from people who actually iterate in the conversation before hitting confirm and build. So don't skip that step. Mistake number 3, skipping the fine-tune step. Once Copilot builds the pipeline, don't just generate and export. Take 5 minutes inside AdFlow to review the nodes. Swap a model if needed. Regenerate a scene if it doesn't look right. Use the native video editor to sequence and clean up. That's where you go from decent AI ad to something that actually runs. So if you've been thinking about making your first ad, this is your sign to just try it. You don't need experience, you don't need equipment, you don't need a big budget. You just need a product, a clear brief, and an AdFlow Copilot. If you want to try this yourself, go ahead and leave a link down below where you can get some free credits and try out Creatify yourself. Honestly, the easiest way to go from idea to a finished ad without needing any experience. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here in the next one.